Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the horizontal volume indicator for MT5. So the first step is to download the indicator. Just check the description below and you're going to find the link to download the indicator. After doing that, ensure that you decompress the file, the folder. After decompressing the folder, then you pick out the indicators file and head over to your data folder. Ensure that you copy the indicators file, okay, and then head over to your data folder, MQL5, you navigate to indicators, examples, and then you paste the file in here, after which you should head back to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, after doing that, then just look for the horizontal volume indicator. Okay, but if you cannot find the indicator here after refreshing, then just restart your terminal, exit the terminal completely and put it back uh on again, right? Just exit it and then start the MT5 terminal again. Okay, so here we go, drag and drop. These are the input settings available. You can see you can modify these according to your taste, depending on how you want the indicator to function, right? Now this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it displays volume distribution across price levels rather than time. You will notice that the the price levels are what the indicator uses to show volume distribution. So when there is much volume around a particular price level, you will notice that the indicator will point it out, right? The indicator will point it out. You can see these different spikes across different price levels, showing the different volume distribution, right? And if you are a trader that you pay attention to volume, you maybe volume is a part of your strategy, volume analysis, then this indicator might come in handy. It might be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. All right, but do not depend on one indicator alone. You should always have confluence, right? You should always have confirmations. Pay attention to your candlestick patterns, your chart patterns, right? And do not neglect the aspect of risk management. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.